Hello everybody, this is Isaac from IWM. I hope you're doing good, as always. Today we want to talk about the little things that really makes a huge difference. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're in the middle of the song, and this is an artist from Sweden, and we're also in the last parts of the song. This is the part where things should feel at its maximum, you know, and the emotions should be outside your body. And before I made any changes, let's listen to what we have at the moment. And yeah, this is the last part, the last intense part of the song.
You don't care what they say, you don't care what they do. Just don't let the fire, don't let the fire, just don't let the fire go.
Okay, so the singer is singing about don't let the fire go away. This is huge in emotion. So we want to really emphasize that. And what can we do? Well, what we did was that we added a guitar, and it's playing in a tremolo pattern, and it's moving up to the higher pitch all the time. So it's like getting more and more and more intense. So let's listen to what difference that this makes and how the difference in feel that you as a listener will feel. Okay.
You don't care what they say, you don't care what they do. Just don't let the fire, don't let the fire, just don't let the fire go.
Did you feel the difference that made? To me, it's a huge difference. You can really feel the emotion and the pain from the singer that really goes along with the guitar. Okay, let's listen to it again.
You don't care what they say, you don't care what they do. Just don't let the fire, don't let the fire, just don't let the fire go.
So it's not just the guitar, it's really the way the guitarist is playing this. And this is a great way of building an emotion, in my opinion. So, what have we learned today? Well, try to find the most important feeling of the song and try to find the spot to where to exaggerate that feeling of the song, and use whatever you can in terms of instruments, in terms of tools that you have to get people to feel something. That, to me, is really what it all is about. So, until next time, I wish you a great day. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the button, and you will not miss my next video. Okay? See you around. Bye-bye.